atmosphere here at Quantum can be really summed up in the word fun, first and foremost. We are a lot of fun here.
Hey, I'm Norm Kester with Quantum Innovations, and I'm the owner here. I started this company with the idea in mind that this would be a company that would be a marriage between my beliefs and corporate beliefs and bring those two things together. And I had worked in other companies and those things weren't true, so I wanted to create an organization where that was true.
Quantum manufactures AR coating solutions for wholesale labs in the ophthalmic industry.
The Fusion M is one of our in-house pieces of equipment that we've been manufacturing here for about 5 years now. It's really changing the market in the way of linear flow.
In comparison to like the big box coaters that take maybe 200 pair of lenses, they need to get 200 orders in order to run your job. We give them a machine where we could run that job that day.
Southern Oregon is a beautiful place to live. This beautiful valley surrounded by these gorgeous mountains.
The lakes, the rivers, the mountains, hiking.
And it's all here, just within 30 or 40 minutes, you can reach all of those things from Quantum's front door.
The culture is a big part of who and what we're about. And so there's a great sense of team. There's a great sense of wanting for your success, wanting for you to be successful in the things that you do.
I feel like I have a voice and I get to use that voice and they want me to use that voice.
One of my favorite things about Quantum is the giving back environment. We have an attitude of servitude and we love giving back.
You know, with all the giving back activities that we do, we want to have an impact and improve the local community.
There are things that people here are passionate about. In our Giving Back program, we match dollar for dollar what our people are passionate about.
They don't micromanage our time off. For me, that's one of the #1 benefits of working here.
Sometimes people just have things they need to do. And Norm in particular just said, go do them. You know, it's not a work-life balance, it's all life.
I love that about this company. It's the first place I've ever worked where I can make a schedule that works around my family, my children, their school schedule, and I don't have to feel guilty about that. I get to be a mom.
Norm is walking the walk daily to show us he means what he says. That means that he cares, and it's real, and it's in my heart, and I love Quantum.
We've got people that have really high attention to detail, but at the heart of the people, it has to be that you care about others and you really want to have a real humble approach to servanthood and to serving other people.
The knowledge that everyone has in this company combined is just incredible. And I'm very thankful that we have the people we do working here to provide that, to help other people want to grow like myself.
I see operators become supervisors and supervisors become managers, and it warms my heart to see that, you know, we were there in the beginning and we're still there today. So
it's the first time in my life that I've actually worked in a place that I actually felt like everybody here is a brother or a sister. It's that close.